Have you ever wondered if the rules for extra work hours are the same for everyone, regardless of their job? Or perhaps if your specific industry has its own unique regulations when it comes to overtime pay? The truth is, overtime rules often do vary significantly across different industries and specific job roles. There is not a single, universal set of overtime regulations that applies equally to every worker in every sector. The primary reason for these differences stems from federal and state labor laws, most notably the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA. This foundational federal law establishes minimum wage and overtime pay standards, but it also carves out specific exemptions for certain types of employees and, in some cases, entire industries. These exemptions generally apply to executive, administrative, professional, and outside sales employees, provided they meet specific salary and duties tests. Beyond these broad categories, certain industries like agriculture, healthcare, and transportation may have unique provisions or differing ways their overtime is calculated, often due to the nature of their work or historical precedents. State laws can also introduce additional or stricter requirements, sometimes providing greater protections than federal law. To determine your precise overtime rights, the best approach involves a few key steps. First, consult the United States Department of Labor website for comprehensive information on federal regulations. Next, explore your specific state's Department of Labor website, as state laws frequently offer additional protections or distinct rules. Lastly, always review your employer's official policies, such as the Employee Handbook, and do not hesitate to speak with your Human Resources Department for clarification tailored to your specific role and workplace. A crucial concept to grasp is whether you are classified as an exempt or non-exempt employee. Non-exempt employees are entitled to overtime pay, typically 1.5 times their regular rate, 4 hours worked over 40 in a work week, unless a specific industry exemption applies. Exempt employees, on the other hand, are not entitled to overtime pay because their job duties and salary meet the criteria for an exemption. Knowing this classification and understanding the specific duties test for your role is vital for ensuring fair compensation. Ultimately, recognizing that overtime rules are not one-size-fits-all empowers you to understand your entitlements better. Taking the time to investigate the specific federal and state laws relevant to your industry and job type is essential. This knowledge helps ensure you are paid correctly for all your hard work and that your employer is adhering to all applicable labor regulations, safeguarding your financial well-being.